How to add items on wishlist on Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add them. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. So this is the section where you can browse through different products and you can even select them. Here you can slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find different products that are available. Now simply tap on the one that you want to like or keep it in wish list. Here on the top you can see this love button. Simply tap on this love button and here you can add it to your favorites. So simply tap on one and it's done. So this has been added to your favorites. Now you can easily look at it later and find out the wish list that you have. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.